White subway tiles and marble floors create a clean aesthetic. Dark wood cabinets house the stainless refrigerator and oven, all centered around a spacious four-seat island. Black and light wood cabinetry mix in this contemporary space. 3 pendants hang over the central island, while a large window floods the built-in double oven with light. Panoramic city views serve as a backdrop to this quart-stopped kitchen. Dark wood cabinets and light beige tiles keep the space feeling open, uncluttered, and professional. Stainless appliances and a ceiling fan accent these light wood cabinets. The marble counters lead to a sliding glass door, blending the indoor kitchen with an outdoor patio. A stone base island with a white top serves as the heart of this kitchen. Black pendant lights and stools contrast the wooden cabinets and classic white subway tile walls. Large windows offer leafy views from this sage green kitchen. 3 black pendants hang over the island, which sits near a white dining set on beautiful light hardwood floors. Dark brown cabinets and marble flooring create a rich atmosphere. Brown leather stools surround the marble island, which is decorated with a fresh vase of colorful flowers. Wood-paneled cabinets support a striking curved marble island. A black faucet and gas range add modern touches, while light beige floor tiles keep the entire room feeling bright. Patterned rugs and sage green cabinets offer a unique style. Black hardware accents the wood counters, while 3 pendants light up the nearby white and wood dining table. White herringbone tiles add texture to this light wood kitchen. Black stools sit at the white island, while a wine fridge and open shelves provide great functional benefits. Green marble and dark green cabinets create a moody, lush vibe. 3 white pendants hang above the island, complementing the abstract art and sleek black cabinet hardware. Black metal stools and dark green cabinets define this artistic space. A marble backsplash and stainless hood sit near a colorful painting, all lit by large garden windows. Marble-patterned counters and dark brown cabinets look out over the city. Tiled floors and recessed lights illuminate the stainless sink, oven, and decorative fruit bowls. Open shelves with books and plants line this light wood kitchen. A white marble island and wooden stools sit near the glass door, which opens to a scenic stone garden path. Off-white bar stools surround a marble and dark wood island. 3 black pendants provide light, while white curtains and walls ensure the entire tiled space feels organized.